Hello there guys, this is the MAVM 2022 here, and today I'll be showing you how to dual boot Windows 7 and Windows 10 at the same time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to whatever web browser you have, then type Windows 10 ISO, which then you're gonna scroll the way down, click the link, and it's gonna redirect you to the page. And wait for it to redirect. Once you get to the page, then you're going to scroll the way down and then hit download tool now. And then wait for it to download. And then once the download has been completed, then you're going to open it, wait for it for a little bit. Once the file is completely downloaded, then you're going to insert your USB. I'm going to go ahead and insert it real quick. And before you continue, make sure your USB must have a minimum of 4 gigabytes or more. Otherwise, this method's not going to work. But I have a USB that has 128 gigabytes, and then if the driver's installed, then you're gonna run the media creation tool, or run it as an administrator. Then just hit yes if prompted. And I'll be back once this thing has successfully loaded. Okay, so once this has loaded, hit accept the license terms. Okay, so once this has loaded, hit accept the license terms. And then let it get a few things ready. And if you get what you want to do page, then hit create installation media with a USB flash drive or DVD or an ISO file. Then hit next. And then select your language. I choose it as the default. If you'd like to change it, if you have like 32-bit, then the 32-bit would be the best option. Mine's 64-bit, so I'm just gonna keep it, then hit next, then set it to a USB flash drive, then hit next. And if you get this error prompt, it needs at least 8 gigabytes, then it has to be 8 gigabytes. Otherwise, the method's not going to work. Okay, that's enough talking. Then you're going to hit next. And then click the removable disk drive, then hit next. And I'll be back once this entire thing's complete. And this may take up to 30 minutes. Okay, so once the USB has completed, then you're gonna hit the yes option. And then this may take a few minutes before it closes, and I'll be back once it's successfully closed, or it just closed. Never mind, it just closed. Then once you have to go to start, then hit the restart button, and I'll be back once the computer has restarted. Okay, so once the computer's restarted, hit F12 a lot of times. Yours may be different compared to mine. And then hit enter to boot up the menu. Then search for the USB disk 3.2, then hit enter. And then wait for it to boot. Okay, and I'll be back once the computer has booted into the setup. Okay, so once this appears, then choose your keyboard method, then hit next, install now. Then hit I accept the license terms, then hit next, hit custom. Hit your partition, then hit the new part. Now we're gonna hit new, then hit apply, and then hit format. If you would like, but I'm not going to, then hit next. And I'll be back once this setup has been completed. Okay, so once the setup is completed, then you're gonna go ahead and select your language or method, then hit yes. Then hit US or whatever language you have, then hit yes. hit the skip button. And if you want to add that, you can add, if you want to add like the second key thingy, then hit your Wi-Fi, then hit connect. And then you'll have to enter your security key, and I'll be back once I'm done with the security key. Okay, so once you enter your network, then you're gonna hit next. And then we have some important setup to do. And I'll be back once this thing has loaded. Okay, so once this has appeared, and it says, how do you like to set up? Just hit set up for personal use, then hit next. And then add your account, and then let's add my account, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add my account real quick. Okay, so you're gonna enter your password, and I'm gonna go ahead and type my password real quick. And then if you say create PIN, then hit create PIN if you would like only. And then you're gonna have to type in your PIN. I'm gonna go ahead and type that in real quick. Once you type in a PIN, then hit OK. And if you wanted to type in a password, you can do that as well. And then it's gonna say just a moment. Then you're gonna choose your privacy settings. Then you're gonna turn off your location if you would like. But I'm just gonna then hit accept. And then wait. Then once you done that, you're gonna check whatever you like. But I'm just gonna skip. Then hit no thanks. I'm just gonna only save to this PC. Then you're gonna hit the lance. Then you're gonna hit no thanks. Not now. And then let the setup complete. And I'll be back once the setup has successfully completed. And that's how to install Windows 10 on a USB. I hope you enjoy this video. Give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.